Hey guys, I'm Akash and I welcome you all on Pabbly. So the topic for today's video is how to send WhatsApp message to job applicants on form submission. Suppose guys you are a business owner or you are hiring some candidates for your organization and you have created an online form through which the job applicants can apply for the job. For example, an online form building application just like Pabbly Form Builder, Google Form, JotForm or anything. And you also want, whenever a candidate applies to the job using the form submission, you want to send them a WhatsApp message. So guys, to do so, you have two different methods. First one is manual method, by which on every form submission, you will collect the data of the applicant, then process it, and then you will compose a manual WhatsApp message and send it to the candidate. But this manual process is very much repetitive and time consuming if you have hundreds of applications. So to avoid this problem, I came up with an awesome automation by which whenever we will receive a new job application using the form submission, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to the same job applicant's mobile number. Interesting, right? Now you must be thinking how we are going to do this. So to make this happen, we will be using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration software. Now, what is the actual step-by-step guide to do this automation and how you can set up it by yourself? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you just have to go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And as you reach on the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, you can click on sign in. So after reaching our dashboard, we just have to click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I'll name this workflow as Pabbly Form Builder PFB to WhatsApp and click on create. So as we click on create, our workflow has been created over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. So here in trigger window, in choose app, we have to search for Pabbly Form Builder, because we created the job application form inside Pabbly Form Builder. So the idea here is, first we will receive the form submission, the data of form submission from Pabbly Form Builder inside Pabbly Connect. And then after receiving that data in Pabbly Connect, we'll send a WhatsApp message to the candidate who filled the form and applied for the job. So guys, in choose app, after selecting Pabbly Form Builder, here in trigger event, we will select new form submission. And after selecting new form submission, we can see that Pabbly Connect gave us an webhook URL. So using this webhook URL, we will be connecting Pabbly Form Builder with Pabbly Connect. So let's just go to our Pabbly Form Builder account. So this is the dashboard of my Pabbly Form Builder account. And on this dashboard, you can see I have created a form named as job application form. You can also create the form according to your requirement. And after creating it, on the right side, we have 3 dots. We will click here and click on this edit button. So you can see that the form has been opened up in the edit mode. So in this form, I am asking some basic details from the candidate, for example, his name, their email address, their phone number, for which position they are applying for, their resume. I'm asking them to upload their resume and the message. So after creating your job application form, on the left side, you can see there is an option named as integration. Click on integration. As you click on integration, here you can see an option as webhook. Go to webhooks, and after going up to webhooks, on the right side we will click on create webhook. Now guys, we have to paste the very same webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us. So we will go back to Pabbly Connect, copy this webhook URL, go back to Pabbly Form Builder and then paste it over here and click on save. And as we click on save, we have successfully connected the form which we have created inside Pabbly Form Builder with Pabbly Connect. Now the details of the data of every form submission in this form will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So we'll go back to Pabbly Connect, click here on recapture webhook response. Now it is showing us waiting for webhook response. Means Pabbly Connect is waiting for a form submission data from Pabbly Form Builder. So we will go to our form And after we can see there is a preview button over here. We'll click on preview. So the form has been opened up in preview mode. I'll just enter the dummy details of a applicant. So the name of the applicant is, for example, Kunal Kapoor. Kunal Kapoor, this is the email address. And then this is the 10-digit phone number with country code 91. So this will be the same number, guys, on which we will send the WhatsApp message to the applicant. So whatever the number the applicant will enter here, the WhatsApp message we will send on this number. The position is applying for is of, for example, content writer. Then we'll upload the CV. This is the resume file. And this is a message. So I'll add the message as this is a test submission. This is a test submission. So I just entered the details of a dummy applicant, job applicant in this form. Just click on submit. And as we click on submit, we can see that a form has been submitted. And after submitting the form, we'll go back to Pabbly Connect and we can see that we have received the response of the very same form submission inside Pabbly Connect. So here under response received, we can see that this is the response or the details of the very same candidate. The name of the candidate is Kunal Kapoor. This is the email, this is the phone number of the candidate. This is the position for which he applied for. And then this is the URL of the CV which he has uploaded. And this is the message. So the step 1 of creating this automation is completed, guys. We have successfully connected Pabbly Form Builder with Pabbly Connect and received the details or the data of every form submission which a job applicant makes inside Pabbly Connect. Now after doing this, we want to send a message to the job applicant on WhatsApp. Now to do so, we will scroll down and come to our action window. And here in Choose App, we will search for WhatsApp Cloud API. So WhatsApp Cloud API is the official API service, WhatsApp API service of Meta, the owner of WhatsApp. So after selecting WhatsApp Cloud API, in action event, we will select send template message and click on connect. Select add new connection. Now here Pabbly Connect is asking us to connect our WhatsApp Cloud API account. So for that you have to create your WhatsApp Cloud API account. I have already created and we have a separate dedicated video on how you can create your own WhatsApp Cloud API account and use it. So the link of that video will be in the description box below. I'll suggest you to go visit that link, watch that video and so that you can create your own WhatsApp Cloud API account. And after creating that WhatsApp Cloud API account, you will find these details, the token number, the API token number, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. You will find these details on the dashboard of your app which you have created inside WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'll take you to the dashboard of my app which I have created. So this is the dashboard of the app which I have created inside for WhatsApp Cloud API in my Meta for Developers page. And here at this page, you can see there are few details. One is temporary access token, other one is phone number ID, and other is WhatsApp business account ID. So these are the very same details, guys, which Pabbly Connect was asking us to make the connection. So we will copy the phone number ID from this page, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. Then we will copy the WhatsApp business account ID and paste it over here. Then it is asking us for the token. And there is a help text below this token which says enter system user generated permanent token as explained here. And here is a hyperlink. So let's click here. So guys, the token which this page has given us on the dashboard, seems to be a temporary access token, which means this token will expire every 24 hours. But there is a way you can generate the permanent access token, and for that, when you will click on this link, you will be redirected to a page on our forum. And at this page, you can find all the processes, all the steps that how you can create your own WhatsApp Cloud API account, as well as how you can generate the permanent access token which will never expire. So I'll suggest you to go visit this page and follow these steps. And after generating the permanent access token, you just have to add that token over here and click on save to make the connection. So after clicking on save, the connection of WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect will be completed. I have already made the connection, so I will click on select existing connection and click on save. So after connecting our WhatsApp Cloud API account, we'll scroll down and we can see some fields over here. And the very first field asks us for the template name. Now you must be thinking, what is template name? So template are basically some predefined, pre-created WhatsApp messages which we are willing to send to our customers or the job applicants, I should say. So to send messages on WhatsApp via Cloud API, first we have to create some template messages inside WhatsApp Cloud API, and we have to get those template approved from Facebook, which is the parent company of WhatsApp. And after the approval, we can send WhatsApp messages to our job applicants on form submission. So in the drop down below template name, you can see there are plenty of templates available here. These are all these all templates are the templates which I have already created inside my WhatsApp Cloud API account. Let me show you. We'll go back to this page, and after here we'll scroll down and come to step 2. And after this sentence, at the last there is a hyperlink. We'll just click here and we will be redirected to a new page. At this page, we can read that it's named as message template. So these are all the templates, guys, which I have already created inside my WhatsApp Cloud API account. You can create this template by clicking on create message template button. Just click it over here. And then you have to select the category of your WhatsApp message which you are sending. Is it a transactional message? Is it a marketing message? Or is it a one-time password? For example, I will select transactional. Then we have to give the template a name. The template which you are creating, we have to name this template. For example, I'll name it as test1. And at last, we have to select the language of the template message. I'll select English US. Then click on continue. After clicking on continue, this is the page where actually we have to draft or create the WhatsApp message. And at this page, you can see there are some options named as header, body, footer, or button. So in header, you can add some header like some header text, some image, some video, or some kind of document in your WhatsApp message if you want. In body, it comes the actual body of your WhatsApp message. For example, whatever the message you are willing to send, you can create or draft that message over here. So I'll draft a message that hello. And in this body field, guys, you can also add some variables, some body fields. So body fields or variables are the fields basically which are dynamic. We can change those fields or we can change the text at those places according to our requirement for every sending message. So just click on add variable this button and you can see a variable has been added over here. So in double curly braces, we can see there is a number 1. So this number is basically a variable, a body field. And at place of 1, if I want to add the name of the job applicant, I can add it and send the WhatsApp message to the very same applicant. And for every message, this body field or this variable can be changed. After that, we can also add some footer or some call to action buttons over here. And after adding all these details or creating your whole message, we have to click on add sample. And here the body field which we have created, we have to enter the sample content of that body field which we are willing to enter over here. So for example, I am willing to enter the name of the job applicant. So I'll enter the name over here and click on done. And guys, in this field, in this body, you can see I have added one body field. But if you want, you can add many body fields as per your requirement over here in the body of the WhatsApp message. So in this way, you can create your WhatsApp message, and by clicking on submit button, you can submit this WhatsApp message for approval. And once this template message is approved, you can use it to send the WhatsApp message to your job applicants. So after creating and submitting the WhatsApp message template, we just have to select the very same template over here in Pabbly Connect. So the template which we are going to use in this video is named as, let me show you. So this is the name, job application received. This is the template which I have created to use in this video. So this is the kind of message which I am willing to sell to the job applicants who are filling up the form. Hi Roger Bini, means you can see here in the body that I have added a body field over here, which is for the name of the job applicant. Thank you for applying for the position of, and there is another body field 2 over here, where I'll be entering the the position for which the candidate applied. Similarly, I also have few more body fields, like here is the body field 3 where I want to redirect them to the website, and in body field 4 I want to end the name of my organization. So in this way, I want to send this kind of message to the people who are applying for a job at my organization. So job _ application _ received. We have to select this template in Pabbly Connect. So we'll search for job _ application _ received. After selecting the template message, the language code and template ID is automatically detected, so we don't have to make any changes over there. And then after that, it is asking us for the recipient mobile number. So in the field of recipient mobile number, we have to enter the mobile number or the WhatsApp number of the job applicant who submitted the form. And we have received the number of the job applicant in the form submission response as well. So this is the number. So we have to map this very same number here in this recipient mobile number field. And the process of mapping is very simple, guys. We just have to click here at this field, and from the drop down below, we can see that all the responses which we have received from Pabbly Form Builder can be seen here. And out of all these responses, we can see we have to select the mobile number from here. After mapping the recipient mobile number, it is asking us some details like body field 1, field 2, field 3 and field 4. Same 4 body fields, guys, which we have created in our template message. So in place of body field 1, we wanted to enter the name of the job applicant. So we'll go back to Pabbly Connect, click at this field, and from the drop down below, the responses which we have received from Pabbly Form Builder, out of those responses, we will select the name of the job applicant from the form submission response. So we have mapped the data as well. Then in body field 2, we are willing to enter the position for which they have applied. So we'll just click here, and from the drop down below from Pabbly Form Builder responses, we will select the position for which they have applied. Then in body field 3, we wanted to enter our website link. So here we will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll enter the link of my website. Just a second. Website link. And in body field 4, we wanted to enter the name of our organization. So I'll enter the name of my organization over here. Pabbly. So after mapping and entering all the details and selecting our template at WhatsApp Cloud APIs tab, we just have to click on Save and Send Test Request. Now, as we click on Save and Send Test Request, we have received a response over here. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows us that on this very number which we have mapped in this field, or which the number job applicant entered while filling out the job application form, we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message. So let's just check the WhatsApp account of this number. So we'll go to WhatsApp account. And yes, guys, here you can see the job applicant received a WhatsApp message on their number which says, "Hi Kunal Kapoor," means the name of the job applicant. "Thank you for applying for the position of content writer. We are currently reviewing application. If your application seems like a good fit for the position, we will contact you soon. If you would like to look at other career opportunities or register your profile to receive other updates, please visit this website. And thank you for your interest in Pabbly." So this is it, guys. This is the very same template message which we have created inside WhatsApp Cloud API with the very same details, guys, which candidate has entered while filling out the job application form. Now we have successfully created this automation. Let's test this automation in real time. For that, we'll go back to our Pabbly Form Builder page, and now we'll once again click on this preview button of our form. Open this form in preview mode, and this time we will enter the details of some other candidate, some other dummy candidate. For example, I have a candidate, Heather Khan. This is the email address, and this is the mobile number. He's applying for the position of developer. We'll upload a dummy resume over here, and the message, "This is a real-time test." This is a real-time test, and click on submit. So as we click on submit, we have successfully made another form submission at our form, or I should say we have received a new job application from our form. And as we receive a new job application, new form submission, automatically, instantly at the very same time, we have sent a WhatsApp message on the number of the job applicant. So here is the message which says, "Hi Heather Khan, thank you for applying for the position of developer," the name of the candidate and the position for which he has applied for. "We are currently reviewing applications. If your application seems like a good fit for the position, we will contact you soon." And we have the rest of the template message which we have created. So guys, we have tested this automation in real time, that this automation is working perfectly fine. Now we will go back to Pabbly Connect, and in brief we will understand how we have created this automation. So we have just created a workflow inside our Pabbly Connect account, and then after creating this workflow in Trigger application, we have selected Pabbly Form Builder, and new form submission was the trigger event. Then we have received a webhook URL, and using that webhook URL, we have connected the form in the Pabbly Form Builder with Pabbly Connect and make a test submission, a dummy submission in that form, so that we can capture the response of form submission inside Pabbly Connect. After collecting the form submission response, we have sent the very same data to WhatsApp Cloud API to send WhatsApp message to the candidates who applied for a job using form submission. So not just these applications, guys, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more thing. In the description box below, you will find a clone link of this very same workflow. By clicking on that link, you can clone this very same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com, and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.